Welcome back into 641 here on your Friday morning. Many of us have seen the video by now. Earlier this week in Minneapolis, an ICE agent shot and killed a woman while she was trying to drive through as agents tried to get her to stop. So this morning we're looking at the use of deadly force when it's warranted, when there could be some gray areas legally. Attorney Dave Betras is here for Legally Speaking. Dave, good to see you as always.
Good to see you. So this is set off, it happened on January 8th, a national political argument. And I don't want to talk about the politics of it, because I understand that that's very divisive.
Yeah.
But I want to talk about the legal components of what happened there. So, first of all, she cannot bring, you've heard us talk about 42, 1983, 1984 actions. Those are against state actors. You cannot bring a civil case against a federal law enforcement officer. But the Supreme Court of the United States has carved out a special exception called a Bivens action.
Okay.
Now, what's a Bivens action? It's very limited. It's very constricted. But if someone uses excessive force in a Fourth Amendment case, and a Fourth Amendment, a seizure or stop, there may be grounds to be able to sue the federal officer. Okay? They also have the Federal Tort Claims Act. There are a lot of differences between when you could sue like the city of Youngstown or the county of Mahoning for actions their police officers or other law enforcement did or did not do, as opposed to doing it to the federal government. In my opinion, the civil suit is going to be very hard because the Supreme Court has come out with cases since Bivens, which was a 1971 case, sort of constricting the ability to sue federal law enforcement. Let's talk about the criminal component side of this case. So we have sovereign states. They have individual sovereignty under the United States. Could Minnesota bring murder charges or some other kind of charges against this federal officer? Yes, they have that as a separate state, the ability to do that. However, that police officer or that ICE agent then could ask that that case be removed to federal court, that it be litigated in federal court. So, unfortunately, this is a tragic situation. Not much legally she can do. When a police officer uses excessive force or on Fifth Amendment, Eighth Amendment, any of your constitutional rights, you could sue them under 42 United States Code 1983, 1984. And you've heard about that word, qualified immunity, and that really sticks a knife in the middle of any civil case that are brought like that.
The part of the argument that was immediately made was self-defense. The idea of a vehicle being used as a weapon, and that's part of that argument, right?
A weapon can be used against self-defense. You can use deadly force. And in federal court, if you're brought, well, I don't know what Minnesota's law is, but Ohio's a stand your ground law. Now, you could look at that video and determine whether or not he was acting in self-defense or not. I think it is through the eyes of the beholder. My beholding says it doesn't look like he was using self-defense. He was stepping away from the car and fired shots into it. But we have to let an investigation take place. These cases are literally seconds decide whether someone has committed a crime or not. And you're going to have people that are independent, objective, look at this, not through a political lens, but through a legal lens, through a truth-seeking lens, to see whether or not there could be a civil case and or a criminal case brought.
And now, I mean, with video and cell phones and everything, we saw with the George Floyd case, I mean, there's some very clear video, I guess, existing. How much could that possibly play into this? Because everybody sees it.
In every case we're doing now, and Attorney Cassis and I from my office, we're starting a murder case. A body cam footage all over the place. Every case I do now, there's video. And then they have experts that can enhance the video, slow down the video. And so, yeah, that's going to play a big part of it, because you can't unsee what you see. You know, when you, a picture paints 1,000 words in someone's psyche. So that's how we are.
It'll be definitely a tragic situation, but interesting to see.
I want everyone out there to know that you and Milena are the talent, but behind the talent is a team that makes you guys look so good.
A great team.
A great team. And they made fun of me for not bringing donuts on Monday.
Okay. So
Z, why don't you? Yeah, there they are. There we go, Z. Okay. Don't make fun of me anymore. And when people see me out, do they ask me about what my legal topic is? No. They go, did you bring me donuts? Are you taking donuts? So there they go. No. And that's from the Landmark Restaurant. They got the best cinnamon rolls and donuts you could ever want in your life.
Absolutely. I completely agree. Dave, great to see you as always.
Great to see you. Everyone have a great weekend.
Yep, you too. All right, keep it here. We'll have much more on the show after the break.